Hi, this is Dave with Summit Place Kia in Auburn Hills. That's 1-800-NEW-KIAs. And I wanted to let everybody know that our service department is open. It is by appointment only, and there's a couple special things I wanted to make you aware of prior to coming in, which your service advisor will actually go over with you on the phone when you set the appointment. First of all, we have our drop box here, and we're asking that people place their keys in the drop box to prevent touching or and also to maintain the social distance. But the one thing I also really wanted to point out is that at this time the restrooms are not available, and the primary reason for that is the governor has limited us to not allow people in the building. So we have a nice little waiting area inside the dealership, the service bay area, so it's not physically within the dealership. And we do have all the chairs spaced out at least 6 feet apart to maintain that social distance. So if you're in need of service, including oil changes or just any routine maintenance, go ahead and give us a call at 1-800-NEW-KIAs. That's 1-800-NEW-KIAs.